Hello student, today we are starting chapter number 8 quadrilateral, in which we are going to study its construction and type. In previous standard we already studied the construction of triangle if three segments, otherwise two segments and one angle included by them, and if one segment and two angles adjacent to them are given. With the help of this construction, we will study construction of quadrilateral if one, otherwise two diagonals of quadrilateral are given. Out of that, if suppose one length of one diagonal is given, this is our construction first. To construct a quadrilateral, if the length of four sides and a diagonal is given. So this is the first question based on this construction. Construct quadrilateral ABCD such that length of AB 5.2 cm, length of BC 5 cm, length of CD is equal to 6.3 cm, length of DA is equal to 6.8 and length of AC is 6.5 cm. So by using this construction, we can convert this given information in rough diagram. So here I draw one rough diagram, name it by using these given letters. Now substitute all values. Segment AB, here segment AB is equal to 5.2 cm, and these are the remaining length of remaining segments. Here length of AC is given. Here length of AC is nothing but diagonal of this quadrilateral, which is equal to 6.5 cm. Now in this diagram we can see there are four segments are here. So out of that, which one has to be base? The answer is diagonal AC. So write down this note. Base is equal to diagonal, because to construct any construction we first require base. So here we are selecting this diagonal as a base. Now before starting our geometrical construction, take some precautions while constructing. Our first precaution is the needle of this pencil has to be sharp. Marking on this instrument are visible to our eyes. Next precaution, the needle of compass and needle of pencil has to be in same length. Next precaution, do not overwrite diagram or do not make it dark, and write down these given values parallel to the segments. Now let's move to the construction. Here we select this base as a diagonal. So we will first construct this base AC. So due to this diagonal, this quadrilateral is divided into two triangles. So we will first construct this upper triangle. So let's construct its base AC, which is equal to 6.5 cm. Here I make first mark on 0 and then second mark on 6.5 cm, and now I am connecting these 2 points with each other. So this is our base AC, which is equal to 6.5 cm. Now we will draw this segment AD 6.8. So take 6.8 in a compass and make an arc from point A, because in this construction we have this point A. So here I am drawing first bigger arc, which is equal to 6.8. Now take 6.3 centimeter length again in this compass and mark second arc from point C. So here I am putting this needle on point C and just intersecting this second arc with first one. So this point of intersection is point D. So now connect this point D with A and C. After connecting these three segments with each other, three vertex with each other, we get this first triangle ACD. Now let's construct this second triangle ABC. So therefore take here 5.2 length in compass again and mark a arc from point A at exactly opposite to this triangle. So here I am putting this needle on point A and making this first arc. Now take again 5 centimeter length in compass and draw second arc from point C, because in this construction we have point C. So here I am putting this needle on point C and making second intersecting arc with first one. So here we are getting this intersecting point whose name is point B. Now I am connecting this B with A and C. So after connecting this segment with each other, we get here our quadrilateral ABCD whose lengths are given. Now let's move to the next construction. If length of 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. So this is the first question. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ is equal to 5.2, QR is equal to 4.4, PS is equal to 4.5, PR is equal to 8.2 and QS is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So let's convert all this information in this rough diagram. Here I write down measure of 3 length which are given in this question. Now here PR is quadrilateral, so I am connecting it. Next quadrilateral QS is also given 6.5 centimeter. To construct this quadrilateral, here we required base. Without base we cannot construct this construction. So which segment has to be the base? The answer is a segment opposite to non-given segment. Here a segment RS, this length is not given, so it's exactly opposite segment PQ is our base. Write down this note in your notebook. Now in this figure we can see this PQ is a common segment of 2 triangles. First triangle is this triangle PQS and the second triangle is triangle PQR. So let's first construct this triangle PQS. So let's move to the construction. First draw base PQ which is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Now next construction, take any one length in compass. Here I am selecting suppose 4.5 centimeter. So here I am taking 4.5 centimeter length in this compass. Now this is length of PS. So out of PS we have point P. So here I am making one bigger arc of 4.5 centimeter. Now take this 6.5 centimeter length in compass. This 6.5 centimeter is a length of QS. So out of Q and S we have point Q. So here I am putting this needle on point Q and making this small intersecting arc with first one. So here we get this intersecting point. The name of this intersecting point is point S. Now connect this point S to P and Q. After connecting this segment, here we get our first triangle whose name is PQS. Now let's move to the next construction of triangle PQR. So take 4.4, otherwise 8.2. We can select anyone. Here I am first selecting this 4.4 centimeter length in compass. This 4.4 is a length of QR. So here we have point Q. So here I am putting this needle on point Q and making this first bigger arc. Now take next one, 8.2 centimeter. 8.2 is a length of PR. So out of P and R we have point P. So here I am putting this compass needle on point P and making this second arc, intersecting arc. Before connecting this intersecting point, here I rough this extra arc. This point of interaction, this intersecting point is point R. Now connect this R with P and Q. After connecting this point R to P and Q, we get here this second triangle PQR. But still our construction is not done. To construct a given quadrilateral PQRS, here we have to join this R and S point. So connect this R and S with each other to get quadrilateral PQRS. So that's it in this video. See you again in the next video if 2 otherwise 3 angles of quadrilaterals are given.